Welcome to the 7W Data Insights podcast, where we explore the cutting edge of business and technology to inspire and equip today's leaders. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter for daily insights that matter. Let's dive into today's topic. As artificial intelligence continues to reshape the business landscape, leaders are called upon to integrate AI into their strategic playbooks, from enhancing data governance to revolutionizing security protocols. How can organizations align technological advancements with executive strategies to foster innovation while enhancing decision-making? AI is more than just a tool for efficiency. It's a catalyst for transformation in information management. By optimizing data processes and enhancing analytics, AI empowers businesses to make more informed decisions, gaining a competitive edge. For CIOs, the challenge is clear. Rethink data governance frameworks to fully leverage these capabilities. This means developing robust policies that integrate AI, ensuring compliance and security, and encouraging collaboration across departments to maximize AI-driven insights. On the security front, AI's integration is prompting a fundamental shift in governance strategies. As AI enhances threat detection, boards are urged to proactively embed these capabilities into their cybersecurity strategies. The evolving nature of threats demands continuous policy updates and strategic adaptation. This shift necessitates ongoing education for board members to fully grasp the sophisticated security challenges AI can address. Collaborating with AI experts to integrate cutting-edge solutions into security practices is not just advisable, it's essential. In marketing, AI is revolutionizing how brands engage with their customers. Automating social media tasks with AI enhances consistency in customer interactions and content delivery. Personalization powered by AI elevates user experience, fostering brand loyalty. The upcoming wave of AI marketing tools promises even deeper personalization and refined customer targeting, setting new benchmarks for success. To harness these opportunities, marketers should continuously evaluate AI tools, align them with evolving goals, and remain vigilant about technological advancements to stay competitive. In the realm of data management, AI's potential unfolds through innovative concepts like agentic AI in e-commerce and AI factories for modernization. Agentic AI is shifting from automation to understanding human intent, enhancing customer experiences and market differentiation. Prioritizing trust mechanisms in AI systems is vital for interpreting human intent effectively. Meanwhile, AI factories streamline data processing, promoting sovereignty and compliance, crucial in today's regulatory landscape. Developing AI capabilities that prioritize data protection and align with both local and international standards can significantly enhance operational efficiencies. As we reflect on these shifts, the call to action is clear. Leaders must establish AI roadmaps aligned with organizational goals, ensure cybersecurity governance integrates AI insights, and adopt cutting-edge AI marketing tools to maximize engagement and reach. The integration of AI into business strategies is no longer optional. It's imperative for sustained success in an ever-evolving market. How will you lead your organization through this transformation? The future beckons, and it's powered by AI.